Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to briefly describe some of the new and unusual jobs in the aviation industry that you might not have considered. As technology advances and the aviation industry continues to evolve, so do the roles within it. Gone are the days when a career in aviation was limited to pilots, air traffic controllers and ground crews. Today there's a wide range of opportunities catering to various interests and skill sets. Number 1. Aviation Data Analysts. One such role gaining prominence is that of aviation data analysts. With the vast amounts of data generated by aircraft systems, air traffic control and passenger information, there's a growing need for professionals who can analyze and interpret this data to improve safety, efficiency and decision-making within the industry. Aviation data analysts play an important role in identifying trends, predicting potential issues, and optimizing operations. This data collection, storage, and analysis is now being given an enormous boost by the emergence of AI. Number 2. Drone operators. Another exciting area of growth is in the field of drone operations. Drones, or unmanned aerial vehicles, are being increasingly used for various purposes, including aerial photography, surveying, mapping, and even package delivery. As the demand for drone services continues to rise, so does the need for skilled operators who can operate these devices safely and effectively. Check out my other videos on the subject of drones and drone piloting. I've also created a course about starting a drone business. You'll find a link to it below this video. Number 3. Aviation Cybersecurity Specialists. Not surprisingly, cybersecurity has become a top priority for the aviation industry. Aviation cybersecurity specialists are tasked with protecting critical infrastructure, aircraft systems, and passenger data from cyber threats. With the rise of digitalization in aviation, this role has become indispensable in safeguarding against potential cyber attacks and ensuring the integrity and security of aviation operations. Number 4. Sustainable aviation experts. With concerns about environmental sustainability, there's a growing emphasis on developing greener aviation technologies and practices. Sustainable aviation experts work towards minimizing aviation's environmental impact and promoting eco-friendly solutions within the industry. From researching alternative fuels to implementing energy-efficient technologies, these professionals are at the forefront of shaping the future of sustainable aviation. Number 5. Aviation Human Factors Specialists. Human factors play an important role in aviation safety, as human error remains a significant contributing factor in aircraft accidents. Aviation human factors specialists focus on understanding human behavior, cognition, and performance within the aviation environment. By studying factors such as crew coordination, workload management, and decision-making processes, these specialists help design systems and procedures that enhance safety and efficiency in aviation operations. Number 6. Aviation Regulatory Compliance Officers. Ensuring compliance with aviation regulations is paramount to maintaining safety and efficiency within the industry. Aviation Regulatory Compliance Officers are responsible for monitoring and enforcing adherence to local and international aviation regulations, standards, and procedures. They work closely with aviation authorities, airlines, and other stakeholders to ensure that all operations meet the required standards and certifications. With the ever-changing regulatory landscape, these professionals play a vital role in keeping aviation operations compliant and up to date with industry standards. Number 7. Aviation Urban Air Mobility Specialists. Urban air mobility, UAM, is an emerging field that explores the use of aircraft for urban transportation, such as air taxis and aerial commuting. UAM specialists are involved in designing, planning and implementing these innovative transportation solutions to address urban congestion and improve mobility in densely populated areas. With advancements in electric propulsion and autonomous flight technology, the concept of urban air mobility is becoming increasingly feasible, opening up new possibilities for professionals in this exciting field. Number 8. Aviation medical researchers. The health and well-being of pilots and passengers are of utmost importance in aviation. Aviation medical researchers focus on studying the physiological and psychological effects of flight on the human body, as well as developing measures to enhance safety and health. From studying the effects of altitude on oxygen saturation to investigating the impact of long-haul flights on circadian rhythms, these researchers contribute invaluable insights to the field of aviation medicine, ultimately improving the safety and comfort of air travel for all. Number 9. Aviation augmented reality developers. Augmented reality, AR, has the potential to revolutionize various aspects of aviation, from pilot training to maintenance operations. Aviation AR developers create immersive and interactive experiences that overlay digital information onto the real-world aviation environment. Whether it's providing pilots with enhanced situational awareness during flight or assisting maintenance technicians with hands-free guidance, AR technology holds promise in enhancing safety, efficiency and productivity within the aviation industry. Number 10. Aviation supply chain managers. Efficient logistics and supply chain management are essential for the smooth operation of the aviation industry. Aviation supply chain managers oversee the procurement, storage and distribution of aircraft parts, components and supplies to ensure uninterrupted operations. With the global nature of aviation, supply chains and the need for just-in-time inventory management, these professionals play a critical role in optimizing efficiency, reducing costs, and mitigating risks within the aviation supply chain. What to do next? If you're intrigued by the diverse and evolving roles in aviation that I've explored today, I encourage you to further research and consider how your skills and interests align with these exciting career opportunities. Whether you're drawn to data analysis, cybersecurity, sustainable aviation, or any other aspect of the industry, there's a place for you in shaping the future of aviation. Take the next step towards pursuing your aviation dreams and embark on the exhilarating journey ahead. Thank you for joining me today on this exploration of emerging roles in aviation. I hope you found this video informative and inspiring. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more fascinating insights into the world of aviation.